I'm just looking at the ranking side today of one of the websites I deal with. The ranking here shows very, very low information. So I'm going to just go basically through some of the things I can do to improve this. Now, I originally used the keyword of bless, but clearly that's not the best keyword to use. So one of the things I'm actually going to change the focus keyword is to work. Why? Because I have the word work here as the title, and that immediately pushes the ranking up to 51. Why? Because as we look through this particular series of sentences, we see the word there, work, and you'll see work featured elsewhere within the page, which really helps boosting what we want. How does that show? Well, further down the screen here, it talks about basic, and as we go there, we straight away see some of the things that have been achieved. Now, I may not achieve this because I'm using a quote, etc., quoting from somewhere else, but the focus URL is there, and that can be changed to increase the ranking again. Here we have the image. Now, we have no image at the moment, so Facebook wouldn't recognize that particular issue. So I'm going to go to uploading the file that I'm actually after, and it's going to be this one, showing somebody at work. So here again, in this instance, we have the title and a reference point, but what we can put in is the alt tag of work, which then features there into the actual image, which is good, which will allow that image to be available to us. So at this stage, we've got the social. We can now go to other parts of the page. So other things that can be done, apart from just the image, could include looking at different aspects of the general content here. So we have work that's highlighted there. But the permalink would also need to have that work there, which is good. We need to get this into the green in as many areas as possible. And first of all, however, I'm going to publish so that we actually get that information there. And then I'm going to have a quick look to see where we are with the page itself. Just get a bit of a refreshing really to see SEO information. So we're at 60. We can use that pillar there as being the keyword of work to promote the page. And what other areas are highlighted? Well, the main thing is, to be honest, is the content at 287 words, and this is something that maybe a lot of people get to look at as a challenge. It's saying that the focus keyword, add an image with your focus keyword. Well, we have already got that. The URL 57 characters long. Areas like that need to be addressed. We can use Content AI to optimize as well, and that will produce information to help us run with this particular